Hello everyone, welcome back for Speaking English for every single day. And today I would like to talk about my daily routine while I use uniforms till I arrive at my workplace. And well, first of all, thank you for coming to my channel to Amion. I really really wanna learn English, so that's why I create this channel. Though I sort of made a mistake, but I don't pay attention to that, so I only focus to the fluency. The more I taught in English, the more I realize, the more I got a feedback as well, and then my English would be better. Okay, as you know, here I also will tell you a little bit about my daily activity. Okay. Well, first of all, I will. Uh, okay, I'm over here. Okay. Okay. So, I'm over here, and then in the space, so there will be a video, a scene that I will show you the video. So the first one, this video actually, when I was using my clothes, uniforms, and I had taken a bath, and then I came back to my room, and then did clothes. I wear clothes, and then the clothes black in color. And after I done with my uniforms, I stay out of my room. I close my room, and then I lock the key, and I lock the key. But before, if I had gone to my backpack and sure everything I brought. So that's why I really confident get out of my room, step out of my room. And then over here I also
Hello, so welcome back for Speaking English.
always practice my English. I took a
I already
scene. I
my room, and this time step
do
out,
something like this one.
then going down
So that's why, yeah, I really,
stairs.
because I'm really obsessed with that habit, with that thing, to make sure I stick to English every day. Then, okay, the scene, I hit the road. So I walk off from my place, and then going to busway stop. So it took a while, a couple of minutes, to arrive to the busway stop because distance about 500 meters, so it takes 10 minutes to arrive to the busway stop. And also here I really wanted to practice my English while I walking up on a crowded on a situations that many people were keep passing by right in the front of my eyes. I really wanna test my confidence, right, to talk in the public, but I still struggle with my confidence sometimes. So that's why I really hate to talk with crowded situations, but I really want. And also, I have I ha- so I had told you this scene. So this scene is actually under constructors about flyovers. So the government's plan to connect one point to another by flyovers. Yeah, flyovers. I think flyovers is created to reduce the traffic jam and then to saving a lot of time. So a lot of time, yeah. And I really take care of myself while I walking up from that place because there are a lot of things that could make me uncomfortable or in a danger because there are a lot of irons and then a machine crane that could really dangerous for many people. But yeah, so that's why the head of contractors build up or set up a warning, and then it's written there's under constructors. Yeah, so that's why people could be realized the area under constructors. In the scene, so I I'm getting close to the office. So I ever told you before that I were on the in the mall so that's why you can see the scene that I already in the mall, and the mall is was closed at that time because mall actually open up at 10 a.m. but I but I already arrived at that place about less less 8 a.m. and yeah, so I also practice my English for here. I try to take a scene of myself while I walking off from away in order to keep practicing, in order to keep up with English. Guys, actually, I really want to tell you about this one that so currently my workplace do even certification for robotic humanoid. So I was I was getting close to AI and robotic with the certification that is created by the boss of my workplace. And guys, the instructor actually my coworker because they were dedicated to the China to foreign country to get something from them from I mean like from China. So because China because China with the robot from. Okay, I think that's about the way I explain my day and the way I do practicing English. Thank you so much.